Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by preparing the app to present on CarPlay, add the CarPlay entitlement, and set UI supports CarPlay to YES and info. List so the system recognizes your app. Next, add a CarPlay scene delegate or target. This gives you a separate lifecycle for vehicle displays. Once done, wire the scene configuration name and info. List under UI application scene manifest so CarPlay launches your scene. Make sure to keep a simple initial interface. You'll replace it with templates suited for driving contexts in the next steps. Now implement the CarPlay scene delegate. Subclass CP template application, scene delegate and respond to scene. Did connect, interface controller, car window. Instantiate CP interface controller and attach either a CP map template for navigation or CP list template for menus. Populate templates with CP list item or CP map control and assign action handlers that present new templates via interface controller. Push template, animated. Remember why you use templates. They enforce safe, standardized UIs for drivers. Finish by testing. Run the CarPlay simulator in Xcode or connect a real head unit to verify your templates appear and actions work. Add CP Now Playing Manager or MP Remote Command Center for media controls, and ensure you respect driving safety rules like limiting input. Once complete, iterate on layout and template choices for clarity. If the UI fails to appear, check the CarPlay entitlement, UI supports CarPlay, and the scene configuration name in info. List. Mismatches are the most common cause of nothing showing up.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.